Hey, mother truckers, this is a PSA just to all truck drivers out there. Please, if you're feeling down, you're feeling depressed, you're on the road, whatever it is, I know that people put us down, but you have to stay strong. You have to mentally stay strong because I'll be honest, I get a lot of phone calls and emails all the time that people, truck drivers, they want to end it all. And I don't know what to do. I just got an email from a guy named Chris, and I try to email him back, but pretty much he just says that, he's been trucking for 10 years and he's done. It's just too much pressure. His boss doesn't respect him. The brokers don't respect him. He's saying his family doesn't respect him, and he says he's just ready to just drive and crash into somebody or crash into I don't know. It's just crazy. I try to message back, email back, and I got nothing. And I emailed and to the authorities as well. But I just want you guys to know out there that it's not the end all be all. People love you. I love you. All the mother truckers love you. Chris, if you're emailing me and you're reaching out, then I know 1,000% that you're just reaching out for help as well. We love you, man. All you mother truckers, please, for the ones that are hurting, for Chris, just email him, tell him that you love him, man, that, we're a community and we love each other. But mother truckers, it's a lot sometimes.